Melon has done a lot of improvements to their app since my last review video went out over a year ago. And to add on to that, they're now cutting the cost of their standard and pro plans by over 50%. I think they are crazy for doing this, but I think a lot of people are going to be happy. I mean, am I right? So starting soon, the standard plan will be reduced from $12.50 a month to $5. $5. While the pro plan will lower from $37.50 per month to $15. Now, I believe you have to get this pricing, like I just quoted, you have to sign up for a full year, but you gotta be freaking kidding me. The prices are absolutely ridiculous compared to the other competitors out there, which I'll show you their prices here in a second. There are some serious savings for the same features and a better UI now. So let's take a look at what both plans give you. Standard plan removes the embedded watermark. It allows you to upload your own logo, and you have up to 6 participants that you can have on your broadcast. You get unlimited streaming and multi-streaming to 3 destinations. Standard gives you 4 hours of recording per stream and local recording for up to 4 hours. If you can't go live, but you want to broadcast, you get 1 hour pre-recorded streaming and unlimited branding. Worried about disconnection issues? Nah, don't worry about that. Melon's got you covered. Melon's got your back with disconnection protection. Do you stream to your own website or custom RTMP? That comes with standard too. So Melon will store your recordings for up to 15 days, and you can upload your media files with a maximum file size of 150 megabytes. That's just the standard. The Pro plan spices everything up and gives you everything the standard plan does, plus full HD 1080p streaming, up to 9 participants, multi-streaming to unlimited destinations. And this one is really nice. You can record and have separate audio files for you, your media files, and your participants, so that if someone slips up and says something that you don't want in your recording, then you can edit it in your editing app and not worry about messing up any of the other audio files. Media file sizes double from 150 to 300 megabytes per second. Local recordings increases to 10 hours per stream, and you can upload 2 hours of pre-recorded streams. Melon Pro provides users with 30 days of recording storage with the audio files included, and you get Melon's priority support, including weekends. So let's hop into Melon now. We'll show you the UI, and you'll learn everything you need to know about Melon, and I think you'll find that this is quite the value for what you get, especially when you compare it to what their competitors are offering. You're going to go to melonapp.com. Now, if you're new to this video and you want to try this out for the first time, I do have a referral link down in the description below. But when you come here, you're going to either create an account or you're going to start up your own account. And so this is what Studio looks like when you open it up. Now I've already got my microphone and my camera configured to this, but you can go in here and you can go here to your video, click on it, and you can choose whatever camera you have. Choose the resolution of your camera. Likewise, you can do the same thing for your microphone and have that set up right there. And then once you have that set, then you can hit show on stream and you will get your camera and your audio right there. So that's how you get that. Now, all your area right here, they've actually done a really good job at cleaning this up. This UI looks really nice. All your stuff here, your menu stuff here is all on the right, where you can change your design, add text, video settings, apps, that sort of thing. Okay, so next we have videos. Videos is where you can do your intros and outros. Also your green screen has access there. So you can see all these different little clips that you have available. These are your countdown clocks, all different styles that you can use for different themes. And also outro clips, which is really nice. You can also upload your own if you have your own available. Now these clips are limited in size, so keep that in mind. If you want to use a regular video, then you would do that down here by the share function in this video area right here. Also your green screen. The green screen here is where you access it. So if you're actually using a green screen, you can enable it here. You can choose your different colors. They got green and blue as your 2 chroma colors. You can also upload your own background if you use your own background, and you have some presets down here that's available, including the intensity that you want to use for that, which is really nice. Nice little feature there. And they've put this within the video area because it just made a lot more sense where it was at instead of the old area. Now your settings area is where you will be doing a lot of changes, and you can update a lot of things here, including enabling the 1080p, doing your recording and local recording right here. You can actually change your banner right here too. Right now I have it set for TFS. If I wanted to change it to just say pun, I could do that right there. Also your stream avatar, you can upload an avatar if you wanted to do that and use that. You can show names. If I were to turn that off, you see my name go away on my camera view there. Audio status, you can use text to speech when members are joining in. And also you can move, which I have the ticker running at the bottom, but you can move your name from top to bottom, which is why I have it at the top. And also for the ticker, if you wanted to change the directions of it, you can do that. And if I wanted to move the ticker to the top instead of the bottom, I could. Now apps here is the last thing we'll show you. And this is nice because if you use Streamlabs for your alerts and for your moderator for your chat, you have the widgets available for your donation goal, and you can see it pops up right here in your alert box. You can go and you can, if you didn't want to use Streamlabs, you could obviously disconnect it, but you can also turn those on and off. And likewise, you have your chat bot, Cloud Bot by Streamlabs, which I do use. And if you wanted to connect, Twitter, you could do that. And then you can send tweets out when you go live. Really nice little additions to the UI. And again, let me emphasize what you're getting, because you're getting this for $15 a month on the Pro plan, $5 a month on the standard plan. That is an extremely good value. And I really think Melon has knocked it out of the park with this pricing for all that you get. So if you're interested in doing an IRL podcast or doing like a tech show or something like that, this is a great way to do so, especially if you're using multiple guests, because they can all come in. You can get a nice feed for your live stream. You can do your recording also. All that gets stored on Melon servers, and you can download all the individual files so you can edit away and have a really nice recording of your show. So really neat. I like what they have done here. The UI is clean. I would love to see a dark mode, Melon, if you won't mind. I would love to see a dark mode, but really it's not that bad. It's not like a true white. It's actually kind of an offset white. So it's not so bad, but I just like the dark mode. So we're in it. A lot of people are doing dark modes these days. I'd like to see it myself, but yeah, really nice. Really nice. I like it. Yeah. So Melon knocking it out of the park. Look at the changes they've offered you and some of the new features they've given you. They've expanded their library with a bunch of new graphics, all kinds of different things that you can use for your live stream and your show. Look, I think for the value, I don't think you can beat what Melon's going to give you, especially given the price point that they're now offering. Comparing what Restream offers and what StreamYard offers, Melon is a bargain, an absolute bargain. I think Frugal streamers everywhere would be very happy. So let me know. Remember, I got the referral link down in the description below where you can click on that. It will give me a little bit of a kickback, but I appreciate any help toward the channel that you can give. Again, if you're stuck out this long, I appreciate it. Make sure you hit a like if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for notifications. You'll know when I have a video that goes live. More to come on other product reviews and things in that nature. I do have some tutorials coming up for the Beacon stuff that I have been testing, and a review of the Beacon mic, the Create and the Mix. So everybody, thank you for hanging out. Have a great day. Be safe out there, and we will see you later.